Do you agree that these people were extortionists running a den of crime? Do you agree with that or not? Bridgmohan, do you agree with that or not? Do you agree with that or not, Bridgmohan, that he was running a den of crime, extortion? You agree or not? You agree or not?
Not only do I agree,
Arnabji, everything on the paper now.
I vouch for
Investigating
it.
agency has
These people are goons in uniform.
So who can deny it?
These people were acting as goons in uniform.
Okay, then I have a question for you.
They indulged in organized
No, it's very important, very important. NCP spokesperson agrees here that Parambir and Sachin Waze together were operating a den of crime. They were fixers, they were extortionists, they were taking money here, there, you know, they tried to carry out a terrorist bombing, alibis were being created. It's just despicable. So tell me, these people, when they were carrying out the den of crime, extortion, fixing, etc., how come when they put a fake case against Republic, you thought they were doing it as serious and good investigators? Who were they working for? Who were they working on behalf of? Were they targeting Republic? Were they? One minute. Let me follow. Were they? No. Did Parambir come to you? Come to anyone and say, listen. We'll fix Republic for you. We'll fix Republic for you. We'll fix Republic for you. Just no. 1 minute. No. Did he say? And these are the questions. The malice. Did he say? Oh, you know what? Did he go to the Lutyens media, the crumbling Roman empires of the Lutyens media, and say, we'll fix Arnab Goswami and Republic Network for you? Did he go to politicians and say, you know, Republic is asking too many inconvenient questions, we'll fix them for you? Just turn a blind eye to our extortion and our crime. Just turn a blind eye to what we are doing. Just lionize us. Tell the whole world Sachin Waze is a Sherlock Holmes. Was he convenient for you then? Tell me, Bridgmohan. Was he part of the system then? Right? Very convenient then. So then why don't you go to the courts today and say that yes, Parambir was blackmailing a private company called Hansa to make statements against Republic? Why don't you say yes, Parambir and Waze was taking bribes of 3 million rupees. 3 million rupees in bribes as an investigating officer in the TRP case. These fixers, you think any court of law in this country will not see through this? So why? When people who speak the truth, right, are being fixed by these criminals, you clap for them. Bridgmohan, tell me, तब ताली बजाते हैं आप?
Yes.
और आज वही पूछ रहे हैं कि उसको किसने भगाया?
Very serious issue.
Serious issue, of course it is. It is the issue of the credibility of the Indian system, credibility of the criminal justice system in our country.
Yeah.
This farce, Vivek, they think we will be quiet, Vivek. They think, Swapnil, we will remain quiet.
Arnabji, we have to
fight against this. They will silence us.
We have to fight against this extortion.
They think they'll silence the people. Silence the inconvenient media using these handmaidens. No, they will not.
Who will believe you? उनकी सारी की सारी inquiry. Who will believe you? ये TRP.
Answer, Brijesh.
के अलावा भी है.
Answer, Bridgmohan.
आप मुंबई के पुलिस कमिश्नर को नहीं पकड़ पाए, आपको बिलीव कौन करेगा? बहुत सारे केस आपको कौन बिलीव करेगा? मीडिया के केसेस है. आप मुंबई के पुलिस कमिश्नर को नहीं पकड़ पाए. Who is going to believe you? Nobody is going to believe you.
Bridgmohan, answer me. Bridgmohan, see, the fact of the matter is, Bridgmohan, a den of crime was being operated. A den of crime was being operated. The man has to be caught now.
Exactly.
You have to catch him. Center and state have to catch him. Right, Swapnil?
Yeah.
If you don't catch him, I'll tell you, I will open the phone lines, you'll feel what the people of this country feel about this.
The state cannot play hide and seek with him.
He's unable to traceable. If anybody is having clue, please give us. We will catch him, no issue.
No, if anybody is having any clue,
if anybody is having clue, please give us.
Anybody?
Who's having the clue?
Our police is hounding like anything.
If anybody has any clue means what?
Center and state
absconded.